Alright, so you've been listening to the Vava chroma pre-production model sitting here at idle on the main menu, and that is how much noise the fan makes. All still out of the box default settings in standard mode. See, sitting right here on the main menu page. Installed Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus. Go to YouTube. Audio coming directly out of the Vava chroma pre-production model. Video straight from built-in internal Netflix or YouTube app. Volume level is at 40. Let me pick another video.
The wait is finally over.
So you're not dead.
Hello, Q. I missed you.
You're late.
Salute.
No Time to Die. Rated PG-13.
Volume at max.
If these readings are accurate, he's here. I found him. I just hope I'm not too late.
50%. Volume at 25%.
My grasp on sanity remains absolute. Is that right, Agent Stone?
Why don't you get a head start? Do some reconnaissance! Reconnaissance! Come on, that's hilarious! What's the matter with you? Here's the sitch. Uninhabited planet. No resources, no supplies, no apparent way home. A lesser man would die here. I'll be home by Christmas.
And here's some copyrighted free music from SoundCloud. Volume still at 25%. Volume at 50%. Volume at 75%. Volume at 0%. And fan noise while the projector is actually playing footage. So far, definitely pleased with the fan noise volume, as it's definitely not even noticeable with any content playing. Internal speaker audio sounds extremely well in this small to medium sized room. So, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.